And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is come to Home Bargains with me. Now this is a very spontaneous trip because I'm using the rest of my dress alterations money. Now just had my dresses done, mine and Lisa's, and now just got to wait for them to be done. We have literally got 5 weeks to the hen night and 6 weeks left till the wedding, so not a lot. So I thought, you know what, with the rest of the money I'm going to treat myself, go to Home Bargains, see what they've got, be able to have a little snacks day, I don't know, see what happens. But if I get quite a bit, then as usual I will do a separate haul for you guys. But today's video is going to come along to Home Bargains with me. It is Home Bargains, literally just a few minutes away from my house. So as you walk in, you've got some of the Mrs. Hinch stuff already, like the tea towels and the mugs. So they've got it right at the front of the door. So they've got all these bath bombs and stuff. So they've got all the normal bath bombs, and then they've got all these ones like your strawberries, your cherries, your peaches, which I've already had a cherry one before, and let me tell you, it smells insane. So this is where I get our hand soap. So if anyone's wondering where to get this, it's in Home Bargains for £1.49, and we absolutely love this. I'm going to get another one. They do loads of shampoos and conditioners in here, but I've just spotted those massive LV L'Oreal bottles. Look how big they are. They're absolutely massive. But yeah, they do loads of different brands of shampoos and conditioners in here as well. Can't beat the original Baptiste dry shampoo, so I've got the cherry one, so let's give that a go. Okay, so I'm looking at hair dyes because obviously Nathan keeps pointing out I've got so many greys in my hair, which is annoying. But obviously I'm getting my hair done just before the wedding, so I need something that's quick and easy for now, just to cover all the greys. So I'm just going to get to this one. This is the Ultra Onyx Black. So this one I do for now until I get my hair done for the wedding. They have so many skincare ranges, and I've just spotted these. So these looks like the dupe of the Sol Janeiro body butters. So yeah, and they're only £5.99, and you get all three of them. So yeah, perfect. Okay, so they've got these gummy ranges, and I've had these ones before, and I did actually enjoy them. But now I'm going to buy the Hair Luscious Locks as well. So I'm going to give both of them a go. I've had these Skin and Nails ones before, so those are actually really good. So I'm going to give these ones a go as well. Got all the Father's Day stuff in here as well. So anyone's looking to get anything for their dad or granddad or whatever, then you've got so many. Look at the size of this mug. It's absolutely massive. But yeah, if you've got anything to get for Father's Day or granddad or anything like that, then Home Bargains has loads. For the people that loves Gilmore Girls, they've actually got Gilmore Girls pyjama sets in here, and I would love a pair, but they don't have my size to go around my big bum. But that's what the shorts look like, and then that's what the shirt looks like. So obviously you get the shorts and shirt separately. But yeah, I think they're amazing. Just seen these in Home Bargains as well, nacho cheese flavour Doritos, well, tortilla chips. Let's see what they're like. Still got some more Mrs. Hinch stuff in here. So you've got the vases, the basket, lampshade, the little tea lights, the flowers, and the placemats. There's still got some more Mrs. Hinch stuff in here. And there's even more Mrs. Hinch stuff. But I don't need to get any more. And you've got a Hinch Farm. So yeah. Wanted to come on and add on to this video. It's a different day, as you can tell, but obviously you guys would have seen that I purchased these from Home Bargains. These are the tortilla chips nacho cheese, and they taste incredible. I absolutely love these. I wish I bought 2 bags now because I'm obsessed. I think these must be the cheese Doritos. Now I love the cheesy Dorito ones, but the cheesy nachos, you've got to go and try them. So if you ever go into local Home Bargains, pick up a pack of these, and I'm telling you now, I love them. Nathan doesn't love them so much, but I do. I absolutely love them, and I wish I bought 2 bags now. Okay, so sorry it's been a short video, short and sweet video, but there wasn't really much in Home Bargains that really caught my eye. Obviously there's only so much I can get. I don't really need loads of shampoos, conditioners, hair masks, you know. Yeah, it's just, I've already got the Mrs. Hinch stuff that was already in there, so there's no point in getting another load. But yeah, all I got was just goodies, which is all in here. The only couple of things that I got for myself was actually a hair dye. What else? Oh, and then gummies and a bath bomb, you know. Oh, and some hand soap. But there wasn't really much in there, to be fair, so I won't be doing a haul. But hopefully next time I go to Home Bargains, which will probably be hopefully after the wedding, so hopefully there'll be a bit more stuff in there, but there'll be loads more hauls and stuff coming up. Anyway, got my hen night, got my wedding content, yeah, got loads of machine, Temu orders, more from eBay. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. So sorry it's been really short, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.